Soil moisture has recently been added to the list of essential climate variables, ECVs, which are deemed necessary for IPCC and UNFCCC needs and can be observed globally. To create a consistent data record, multiple data sources including active and passive microwave observations in the low-frequency range should be used. Sensors such as C-band scatterometers on ERS and METOP satellites and multi-frequency radiometers can be utilized. The best approach for fusing these satellite data sets is to merge Level 2 soil moisture data derived from individual records, which has already been demonstrated in the WACMOS project and will be further improved in the Climate Change Initiative program of ESA.
This article was authored by W. Wagner, W. Dorigo, R. and others.